Hello everyone, welcome. Now today I'm going to show you one of the report that is newly added, and I'm also going to show you how you can use this report, what help can you get from this report, and what are the action steps that you can take after looking at the report from your account itself. So Amazon brings on reports every now and then, trying to help sellers to understand their data and make more data-driven decisions. Now this time they've added one report called gross and invalid traffic report. I'm going to look over and show you one account, download the report and show you how you can use it, what are the things that they are providing that report and how you can use it. So in the screen you can see we have one account that is doing from year to date, it is doing around $2.5 million. And if I just show you the campaign dashboard, year to date they have done around a cost 17.03%. Their TACoS is close to 5.4%. 5.4% is the TACoS. That is really good. So let me show you how you can download that. Obviously, you have to go to this reporting, go to Amazon Ads report, and then this page will open. Here you have to select the gross and invalid traffic report. Now this report comes at the bottom. You can download it for sponsored brands. Everything that is there, you can download it for that. So let's download for sponsored products. So you can get all these options here, and you can download that report. So let's not download it for other options. Let's just show you for sponsored products. So you will find this gross and invalid traffic, set it on whatever date range you want to look at, then create run report. Then this report looks kind of like this. Now I have removed the campaign names. Here what all data you get gross impressions, you get impressions, you get invalid impressions, invalid impression rate, gross clicks, invalid clicks and invalid click rate. So what Amazon is trying to say here? So there has been times where Amazon sellers are complaining Amazon that you are also counting those searches, you are also counting those clicks which have been clicked by bot and also charging us for that. Now Amazon want to make it very clear to the sellers that listen, we know exactly what bot search means, we know exactly what bot clicks are and how much you are getting that. And we are already discounting you that and showing you the exact data. We're already subtracting the invalid clicks, we're already subtracting the invalid impression and showing you the real ones. Now whenever you use a reverse assign tool like Helium 10 or anything other than that or anything like that, you'll see every search that it goes to find out the ranking, to find out more keywords for that assign, it behaves as a bot search. So whenever there is a bot search, it counts as the impression and clicks, and there that adds up to this gross impression. Now Amazon knows exactly what bot impressions are, so they tells you that here, listen, this is how much is the gross impression and this is how much was the invalid impressions, and we are already subtracting the invalid impressions from the gross and showing you the real data so that you don't blame us, right? So this is how the actual impressions are, this is how the actual clicks are, and they're already discounting you for the invalid ones. Now this particular data, it is obviously you can't use it directly, but you can know exactly which campaigns is giving you more invalid impressions. So this is a report that is newly launched, and this is how we can use it. I mean, there is not a lot of action steps that the seller can take and use this data and make any data-driven decisions, but still it gives you a lot of insights about what is happening. In the next video, what I'm going to show you if you are a seller who is doing a consistent sales over month and you're not able to increase your sales, what are the reports you need to look at? So I'll show you exactly how to analyze search term impression share report, how to analyze what are the opportunities you got in terms of search terms where you can increase your impressions to generate more sales. So I'm going to show you how to identify what are the good keyword opportunities that you can scale for and you can get more revenues. So stay tuned for the next video and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.